So do you need one of these in your toolkit? Now I'm a gardener, I chop branches and stuff all day long. I must say I was sceptical because I got my secateurs, I got my loppers, there we are, but having pressed the button a few times, see, it's quite satisfying. So I'm going to get cracking, put it through its paces and see if it's any good. I must say, just quickly using it here, like, it packs a punch. It's quite addictive, like the noise of it. Like, I can see why people get these. It's not particularly heavy. If you were using it for, you know, a good half an hour in one hand, it might start to get a bit heavy. It's not bad. I'm going to crack on with these after the video. I'm going to take it over to the apple tree now and get it cutting some thicker stuff and just see how it handles that. But first impressions, it's not too bad. And yes, this is a review, so this is free for me, but I'm always honest in these reviews, and I've done reviews in the past, and if they've been bad, I've said they're bad. So you will get a genuine, honest video out of this. So yeah, let's see. Right, okay, so something slightly thicker, you know, thick, tough branch here. Let's see how it goes. So you can adjust, as I say, it's got 4 settings on, from 20 to 35 mil. And I've had a mess about with this. It doesn't particularly matter really. You can, one quick click, so you turn it on, 1, 2, 3, one click, it does a kind of half cut, hold it in, does a full cut like that. That was nice and easy. So yeah, not bad. I mean, I've got something pretty thick here, you know. I haven't got my ruler with us, but it goes up to 35 mil. This looks like it might be 35, 40 mil. I was playing with fire a little bit on that last one, a bit close to my fingers. I think I've got something pretty thick in the garage at home, so I'm going to go home now and I'm going to see if I can find it, see if I can cut it, and then give you my thoughts. So I don't have anything in the garage. I've actually been to my mum's, my garden, cut a bit of conifer branch, 30 mil I've measured, and these are notoriously quite dense, so I'm going to give it a cut and see how well it cuts through. It does go up to 35 mil, so it should be nice and easy. Yeah, not bad at all. So I think the measuring was a bit off. I think there's probably nearer 40 mil those branches, but you can see the power it has. So one thing I will say, I think this is designed for tree work, branch work. The raspberry canes in the allotment there, I didn't bother using it in the end. I just got my secateurs, you know, snip, 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 it's faster. This is for obviously thicker stuff that you want to take your time a little bit with. As I say, genuinely packs a punch, and it's something that I will keep, you know, in my toolkit. I was skeptical, but I can genuinely see the use, and it's quite nice. As I say, it's quite satisfying to use this. If you want to buy this exact same one, I will have a link below. It does come with a nice little case. It's got spare blades, it's got some lubrication, it's got a battery charger. You know, you get a bit for your money. It's yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Let us know what you guys think if you've tried one of these.